this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix fiber Wi-Fi or Google Fiber Wi-Fi. So if you're having any issues with your Google Fiber Wi-Fi, I'll give you a few troubleshooting steps right here, okay? So the first thing you could do is just go ahead and check for an outage. Perhaps there could be an outage by Google and they would show it on their Google Fiber's status page. So all you have to do is go into your web page and search Google Fiber's status page, okay? Let's go there, click on the first link, and once you're there, you want to fill up your address right here, okay? And once you fill up your address, you click on get an update and they will tell you if there's an outage or not. Or otherwise, if you don't want to go through that long step, you could as well just go onto Twitter and see if there's an outage or not, because whenever there is an outage, they do send out a tweet and tell everyone if there's an outage or not, okay? The next thing you could do is perhaps restart your router. So unplug the power cable from your Google Fiber's network box or router, and then wait like 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Then wait for it to fully reboot, and then which could take like a few minutes, okay? The next thing you could do is check cable connections. Ensure all cables, either it be Ethernet or power, are securely plugged in, okay? Otherwise there could be a problem. Okay, the other fixes or the Wi-Fi specific fixes I have for you, one of them is move closer to the router. If your device is far away from the router, you should move closer and check if the signal improves. And another thing you could do is to reduce interference. Keep the router away from the walls or metal objects and the electronics like microwaves or things like that. Another thing you could do is to change the Wi-Fi channels. Use the Google Fiber app or log in to your router setting, which switches between 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. 2.4 gigahertz has better range but slower speeds, and 5 gigahertz has faster speeds but shorter range. Another thing you could do is check for too many connected devices, because if there are too many connected devices, it can slow down Wi-Fi. So try disconnecting unused devices. Another thing you could do is to update the firmware. If you have a Google Wi-Fi router, check for updates in the Google home page, okay, or the app. Then another thing you could do is to reset your router, and this is the last resort, okay? So press and hold the reset button on the back of your router for like 10 seconds. This will restore factory settings. You will need to set up the Wi-Fi again because of this. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and that'll be it for today, and I'll be see you guys next time. Peace out.